Hello my friends, welcome back. I'm coming on to do my very first layout for Not Just for Boys Kit Club for June 2022, and I'm going to start by using the Seashore kit. Now I don't know if I'll bring in stuff from other kits or not yet. We're just going to see how that goes. So we have an assignment, which is to use a double page spread and using the color blue. So I'm like, all right, awesome. This kit came with these pieces right here. Oops, I have a little heart that went running off. They are by Ella and Viv, and I don't know why I have them turned that way because my sky is upside down. They're by Ella and Viv, so I thought these could be my background, which is fab. I've got these gorgeous Simple Stories goodies, both die cuts as well as the foam stickers, so they have this great dimension. I've got this cut file from a la carte, and what I thought I would do is cut out 5 of the shells and back them. Great. I've got these adorable flip-flops from a la carte. The amazing, please keep doing more acrylics in little shells. Let's see, look at these little charms. I've got sequins. I've got these like little water droplet bits. So I have plenty to use. And of course I have, more pattern paper. So what I did is I went ahead and printed out, these are like these little square printy pieces, and they're actually stickers. I don't use them as stickers, but that's what they are. See, little stickers. And I got them a million years ago on clearance for like $2 a box at Joann's. They go to my Canon selfie. So I thought I'd print out a bunch of pictures and we'll see how many we can get on there from this trip we went to in Florida. So that's my plan for that. Is there anything else to tell you? Because I need to back my cut file. I need a plan. I don't have my plan, but I do need a plan for what I'm going to do with this. Now, of course, I'll trim off the branding strip. My photos all have a really nice little white border on them. See, this is Salvador Dali, and he is talking to me, and it's really hard to see in this picture. I'll do it bigger later. But he was on a cell phone taking a picture of me on a selfie. It was kind of funny. Anywho, so I do know my design will be obviously like so, but I wanted it coming down kind of like this on the sides with photos in the middle. That's all I know. And all my photos are the same size. So it'll be interesting. So let me get going on this and I'll be back in a minute. Oh, wait. There's one more thing to show you. This piece right here, which is gorgeous. Do not get me wrong. Look at the backside. This is from Minte. It's so thick and beautiful. It's from Minte Urban Jungle, and here is the product code. Super pretty. I want to cut out a bunch of these as well. So, like the mostly full-size ones, although ones like this are great for tucking too. So I'm going to cut out a bunch of those pieces, and hopefully I'll have a couple of these little hexies I can use. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, so I have been trimming and trimming and trimming. I have made cute little shaker pockets that I backed with a bit of vellum. And I did go ahead and what did I do? Okay, so I cut out 6 of the different little shells from our big giant cut pile. I have my cute little shaker pockets. Then from this gorgeous piece right here that has the wood grain on it. What is it called? Urban Jungle. Okay, sorry about that. And I backed cut files in both the green and blue. So these gorgeous pieces right here are part of the Urban Jungle goodies. And then I just started looking at the different Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Coastal die cuts. And I started to tuck some in. I don't know if that's where they're going to remain, but I'm starting to get an idea of how I might like this to come together. I tucked in a couple of the shell pieces that are in the a la carte section. Am I missing one? Let's see. I have a pink one somewhere. Oh, it's right there. Okay, perfect. Now, I do need to come up with my title, and I think I like the photos like this on this side. I'm kind of digging them like this, and I'm thinking of doing a larger title cluster on this side, maybe. Not quite sure because I have all of these gorgeous pieces. Now, I also still need to incorporate these little golden starfish. That'll be super easy to bring a nice pop of gold, which will help to mimic that piece. But that's at the end. So I want to get these pieces tacked down. I'm going to pop up my photos on dimensional adhesive because I dig that kind of thing. And I'll be back in a minute. So I have all of my pieces are tacked down except for the embellishment. So that makes no sense. So the die cuts are not tacked down. The wood veneer aren't, and my acrylics are not. So I thought I would start with this big old title first. Now, I can do Coastal Escape, but I'm not feeling that as much. I'd like to figure out how to put it. Ooh. That might look kind of cool nestled right there. And then this is going to be kind of tight to it. So thinking that, I'm not sure how I feel about it. Not sure. I usually don't like, nope, that's going to go right off. This is the kind of thing you think about ahead of time. It is. So I do like the escape right about here. I think a little bit of it is going to get hidden, and that will make it work a little tiny bit better for me. Okay, so now that I have the title on, I can start popping goodies in. I want to go ahead and find an ink color for my flip-flops, probably going in the pinky tones because I'm digging that. And I'm going to keep just tucking them in. Now, all of my photos are popped up, and I want to start getting some dimension over here. I do have dimension with my shaker pockets. So I'm going to tuck, and I'll come back and we will finish it up with our cute little gold starfish and some of our bubbly bits. I'm going to put a bunch of those on first though, because that might be really boring to watch. All right. Oh, and I also have these pieces that I trimmed out of the back of this piece right here in case I wanted some of that really cool wood grain. Okay. I'll be back in a minute. I thought I'd pop on all of these pieces around. I moved my title over here and just switched my photos around just a little bit on this side. So these pieces are all attached down. And I thought I would put some of the bumpy bumpies in. Look at how cute. Oh, I love the arrow. And the deal is, I don't even know if I have room for any of these adorable pieces, but we'll make room, won't we? I love that little arrow piece there. Oopsie. I mean, as things go, this is done and it's great. Look at how cute the flip-flops turned out. I used a Bandon Coral and it was a really gorgeous color match. So that was a win. Ooh, I like this paradise in the pink. I keep getting drawn to this pinky color, but I do also have lots of wordy bits. So it's like, trying to get that fine line in all of this stuff. Okay, so definitely want to come in with these little hearts that are here, there, and everywhere because they can fill in places beautifully. Like I have kind of some area right here that could use a little something something. And I think between the hearts and the little bubble bits, we'll take care of that just fine. I like them kind of going up, so I guess I'll do some of the same over here. Say fab green. And I'm not worried like if something looks like trap space per se. I just happen to love all of the things. So if I can use all of the things, I will be a happy little camper. There we go. So I have 3 there. Oopsie. Went in for the green twice, not that it matters that much, but I have other colors. So let's get a little crazy and use what we have. Okay, so we have that pretty on the little foamy bits. And I'm still trying to think if I want to use any splatty bits because I think it's so pretty that I don't want to distract. So we'll give that a thought. I don't know if it's going to happen. If I do, it would be the same ink color here, but I'm kind of digging how clean it is, which I know it's super messy to some people, but for me, it's super clean. I don't know. To each their own, right? Okay, I'm good there. Now I have these great little starfish, and I'm going to tuck them in here and there in my clusters so that we don't see the little catch. And by the way, these would make super cute earrings. Okay, I'm gonna tuck them in, get some of these circly bits on, and we'll show you my finished layout. All right, my friends, I just finished up using these cool little bubbles, and let me show you my layout. So here is the left side. So there's those little bubble pieces we talked about, and I have my cute little starfish are all tucked in, giving me that nice little metallic finish. So we have that. And then a close-up of my right side. There's lots of fun dimension, and we've got our shakers. So there's fun stuff going on. I had myself a time creating this. So love the little clear bubbles. I think they add lots, and it's one of those things I think they can go on just about any layout. And this one, it reminds you of water. So voila, happy on that one. Okay, I'm gonna have links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club blog, website, as well as Facebook group. So you can see what the other DT members did with these products, but also I wanna see what you guys have come up with, because this stuff is so freaking fun to play with, and it's way more fun if we all get to see what everybody else did with it. Okay, I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.